Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about a very interesting job which is CAPTCHA entry work. Many people have been asking to post a video about CAPTCHA entry work. So today I'm posting about that work. CAPTCHA entry is nothing but typing letters, words, combinations of letters and numbers and words and writing. This is done because so that the website will understand that the person who is seeing this is not a robot or a bot and it's a human. So to confirm that the person who's working is human, CAPTCHA is given for by many websites. Today we are going to see about one such work. This is my blog daytodayreads.com. Here go to work from home, and if you come down I have given an article about CAPTCHA entry jobs work from anywhere. Click this. Today we are going to see about a CAPTCHA entry work. This is a very interesting work, and the main point is there is no age limit. Any person can work here, and this is a very good part-time income. And for working for just 1 hour, you can earn up to 500 rupees. If you type 10 captchas, you will be getting like 5 rupees. So this is a very good income. Students or housewives or anybody who want a good part-time income can join this job. There is no investment. The people, the website does not ask any investment from a person, and there is no training or skill required. Just you have to see and follow the instructions and type. There are varieties of captchas, like there are like image captchas, there are number captchas, there are word captchas. The instructions will be given clearly. You have to just read the instructions and type the captcha. The captcha typing is a very easy work, and within 1 minute you can type 4 to 5 captchas. Just make sure that you type the captchas very clearly. First read the captcha, what is given, whether it is given in capital letter or small letter, whether it is a number, and just follow the instruction and write it. Let's see how to apply for the job. Come below this article. I have given the link here, apply here. Just click this. If you click this, this page will open. CAPTCHA typing online job. We provide online CAPTCHA typing jobs. You can be done by a smart device like mobile, laptop or PC. They have clearly mentioned that you do not require a laptop or a desktop. You can work from your mobile. We are urgently looking good candidate for our typing work. No registration fees and no investment. We never ask for payment, so there is no investment required here. Our support team is always available for you for this part-time or full-time typist job. We will give job guidance in the form of ebook for free. Once you have filled this application and submitted, they will send you the ebook, the instructions, all the rules and regulations to be followed while doing this work. Make money by CAPTCHA, typing work on mobile. Fill in the CAPTCHA and earn money without investment. Online CAPTCHA work with instant payments. CAPTCHA entry jobs allows you to easily earn online from home. This is 100% legitimate and genuine work from India, based in India, and there is weekly or daily payment is ensured. Once you reach a certain limit, you can receive the payments. For online typing, we will pay on a weekly basis or payment on demand. Maximum 4 transactions a month they have given. So it's like that you can have a weekly payment or 4 transactions you can have. Payment options are given like GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, UPI, and direct bank transfer and more. This is a very easy work to start with instant payments, and you can work from the comfort of your home. And who can do this job? College students, freshers, beginners, working professionals, senior citizens, housewives, women, teacher, retired persons, teenagers, parents. Everyone can apply for this job, and there is no restriction. How to earn by CAPTCHA solving? Fill the application on the best online CAPTCHA typing site. Submit your application, solve the CAPTCHA and earn money, get paid instantly. There are no targets, there is no investment, there is no age limits, there is no training fee, no time periods, no qualification, and no registration fee. This is 100% legitimate and genuine work, and there is no memberships like you have to, they do not ask any payment from you for memberships, and you can do this work in your free time and work from anywhere. Their features are there is flexibility in work, and there is weekly payment and no experience is required. It's very simple work anybody can do, even if you are 10th pass or 12th pass or you as college going student can do this job. Make money typing captchas, $300 per month. Just press next and this form will open. Here, this is one of the sample they have given, and they have told that we will review the application and shortlist your application and give free job training. This is one of the samples they are given. Just you have to type the words morning overlooks and type here and just press enter. Let's see how to fill the application. Write your full name, your email address, phone number, and date of birth. And that is age. There is no age limit. They are just for asking for a reference, and your gender. And what is your qualification? You can write 8, 10, 12. You're studying student also. It's okay. You can write anything. You can fill this. Then what is your current professional status they are asking? It doesn't matter, but you have to fill it correctly. And what is your work status? Are you a fresher or experienced? And how many hours are you willing to work? If you are working elsewhere and you are taking this as a part-time job, please put 0 to 4 hours. But if you're going to work for a full time, you can put 0 to 8 hours or more than 8 hours. And which payment option is required by you? Please mention that. You can later change this also, but initially for the first few payments, you have to give a payment option. And they're asking a cover letter. Cover letters is nothing but you have to write about yourself, like what is your experience, or it's not required that you have to work somewhere. Just tell me, write about your skills, what all you know, hobbies, anything you can write. And what are your languages you know, and city, country, and submit. That's all, friends. This is a very, very simple job, and there are a lot of people applying for this job. So apply for this job today. Thank you.